Today I would like to share you how to get watch face from Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. You can see here on my Apple Watch. It does not look exactly the same, but at least you can get a similar to Watch Ultra from Samsung. For me, I think it looked pretty good on the Apple Watch. I have a bunch of them. You can go ahead and try them out. Now let me show you how to get it. It is very simple. So first, all you have to do, you need to have a Telegram, and then you need to go into my Telegram channel, which I link in my video description. Now let me go into my Telegram, and you can see here I have two options. This one. All from Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and this one with the background. You can get them. All you have to do, just save the photo into your device. So save one by one. Okay, let me save two of these, and then let me save this one. And after you have saved, just go back into your camera roll on your iPhone, and then you need to create watch face after you save the photo. So let me select this one, click on share button, and scroll down. You're gonna find create watch face. Just go ahead and click on it, and then you have three options. The middle one and the first one look pretty good in my opinion. So let me select this one and click on add, and then go back into watch app. You're gonna see it right here. So just click on it, and then click on scroll down and click on set as current watch face, just like that, and then it will transfer into your Apple Watch. It is as simple as that. I have tried some of them. It look really cool. Let me put this one. Look good. Another one. This one with the black background, and some of these with the full screen. If you like. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then we'll see you guys in the next one.